Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have Google Pixel Watch 5 and in today's video I'm going to show you how to disconnect from the Wi-Fi network on this watch. So let's get started. And the first thing we need to do is to open the settings on our watch. You can do it by pressing the Chrome button to open, or first wake up the screen, then press the Chrome button to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, look for the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, select the connectivity option, then find the Wi-Fi option and tap on it. Turn on the Wi-Fi option because if it's turned off you won't be able to do anything. And then scroll down and look for the option called Saved Networks and tap on it. And here we have the list of networks that are saved on our watch. And basically, whenever our watch is in vicinity of that network, or one of the networks on this list, it will try to connect to it automatically if it has strong signal, basically. And you can find the network on the list right here. For example, right now we are connected to this one. And we can find it on the list of saved networks. Here we have it, and you can tap on it, and then you can tap on forget. And once you forget the network, the watch will remove it, and it will disconnect from it immediately. And basically, it will connect to another network in vicinity. And that's how you disconnect from the Wi-Fi network. You basically remove it from the watch, and your watch won't be able to connect to it anymore. You can also reconnect to the network by tapping on network and selecting it, entering the password and stuff like that. But basically, that's how you disconnect from the Wi-Fi network on this watch. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.